Hey, it's tacgearguy. I'm going to do a review on the EagleTac P20A2 Mark II version. This flashlight's unbelievable. It runs off 2 AA batteries. Which right now I'm running the Sanyo Eneloops. But you can use any AA battery. You know, you could use the lithiums, regular alkaline, anything. Overall, it's 6 3/8 inches. It's aircraft aluminum. That's mil-spec hardened type 3 anodized, and for protection. It's got a great clip on there, good pocket clip, which you could take the tail cap off and then take a retaining ring off and take the clip off. It locks into place there so it won't move, slip off. You actually have to take the whole assembly off there to get it, which is great. You don't have to worry about it popping off on you. This flashlight, it has the Cree XPG R5. Has a nice stainless bezel, which, you know, unscrews, comes off. Alright, let's take a look at the modes and the output of this thing. Now everything has to do with, you know, loosening and tightening the bezel to go into modes. It has a regular forward clicky tail cap. Okay, so right there you have high, which is 230 lumens, and then if you turn it to the right, you go into a general mode, which is 60 lumens, and those are the two, you know, main modes. You have high and general. And so if you leave it in general, turn it off, you turn it back on, it's still in general mode. Go back to high, and with the tail cap you can do the monetary half click, and you can do the full lock on. Alright, now there's a bunch of hidden modes, so to access them you would turn back and forth. So you would go high, general, high, and that's low at 15 lumens. And then to go to the next one, which is strobe, you would go back. And the next one is beacon. And then you have SOS. So it's a pretty easy interface. On high or turbo, it's the 230 lumens for 1.5 hours, and then on general you have the 60 lumens for 8 hours, and on low that 15 lumens is 30 hours. Now there is a way also, if you wanted to set it up so you don't have to go through all the modes to get the strobe. If you hit the tail cap on and off 15 times fast in 10 seconds and hold it, you know, lock it into the mode, what'll happen is then, instead of going through all the modes, if you double click when in high, or general for that matter, you'll be able to access strobe. I mean, I prefer to have it available, but I have that double click strobe disabled for now. Now I believe that this is waterproof to IPX8 standards, which is awesome. Now the tail cap, if you see, there's this rubber boot that I put on it, and it's just so you can do tail stands. With the boot off, you just have the clicky is exposed and you can't, stand it up on end. We'll take a look at the box that it came in. And it came with a whole bunch of accessories. It came with a pretty decent holster. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. Definitely holds it secure. Has a little plastic D-ring, belt loop, Velcro closure. And then it also came with, you have the manual, your warranty card, a lanyard, which they say is mil-spec paracord. It has a ring that you could throw on for the quick clip of the lanyard. It came with some extra O-rings and a glow-in-the-dark tail cap boot, switch boot. That's pretty cool. And then it came with the diffuser, which we could throw that on and take a look real quick. So this is without the diffuser. And that's with. Real nice. And then if you can, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but the reflector, has a light orange peel. This is a great light. I paid $65, free shipping, and it was well worth every dollar. I also had bought an extra tail cap for tail standing, which is all one piece instead of the rubber boot. And as soon as I put it on, it didn't work. So I contacted them. They said, we'll send you out a new one ASAP, and we're waiting on that. And they said, don't bother sending this one back, which is great, saved me the shipping. And I believe this was $10. So I tried to tighten it up and see if it was any easy fix, and it wasn't, of course. So, but great flashlight, and I definitely recommend picking one up. And this is tacgearguy. Thanks for watching.